G'day everybody, Uncle Jojo here. Good morning, good afternoon and good evening. Or as my Spanish friends would say, dichosos los ojos. Great to see you all. Today we're going to cover the right person to help you with your project. We are super spoiled in Australia with some very talented people. You can choose between an architect or a draftsperson or a builder or an interior designer to help you plan where you want to go with your home and the future needs of your home. One of the best ways to decide on the person is to qualify them. It's what I call qualify them. So what you do is you select a few different people that you have looked over their work. So you can go through their websites and things like that. Obviously you've got a list because if you looked at our previous video, you'd see that you had your aims. So you use those aims and then you see what type of jobs that people have done that are similar to what you're trying to create. When you find a handful of people, ring them up, have a chat with them, see how you gel with them on the phone, and then go over and see them. Sit down, have a good discussion with them and see where you want to go with your home and what they can offer you and help you with in producing that outcome that you desire. Really big difference between a draftsperson and an architect. A draftsperson will draw up your plans and help you with a basic design, whereas an architect will actually go through specific detail and be very particular about the materials and systems that are used in constructing your project. Interior designer can also help you in both those aspects, but they will not be able to draw you up plans unless they're registered to do so. A builder in overall will do the building works, whether you have a draftsperson or an architect. You can choose a builder to do everything, to design the house to best suit your needs and to build it, or you can just employ a builder, go through the tender process, so you get your plans drawn up and then you forward over those plans to different builders and get them all to give you a quote, and then you can select the builder that best suits your budget or your needs. Make sure that you compare apples with apples though when you're selecting a builder. You can't say to one builder, we just want timber windows and we don't want any insulation in the walls, whereas another builder might quote for those two things. Or the timber windows they select, one might be a cheap quality timber window and another one might be a high grade handmade quality timber window. So you've got to make sure that you compare apples to apples when you choose your builder. An architect, when they go through, a good architect, when going through the tendering process, will give you a list of all the specifications and they will make sure that you get apples for apples because they'll get builders to actually quote on specific items. If you have any other questions or queries about selecting someone for your building project, please forward them over and I'll help you out wherever I can. Stay tuned to next week and we'll work through your budget and your schedule of work, so making sure that we're on a timeline. Until then, stay awesome and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.